Storms moving across the area tonight. This video shows the heavy rain falling downtown. People definitely needing those umbrellas this evening.
And it came down hard. Time-lapse video showing the storms as they moved right across the Chicago area. The skies going dark downtown quite suddenly as the storms moved into the city.
Yeah, they moved in quickly. The storms bringing down trees across the Chicago area. Chopper 7 finding this damage in Aurora today. We also found power crews working there on some down power lines. Nearly 12,000 ComEd customers are without power right now, and high winds have been a major threat for hours.
That's right. Meteorologist Larry Murray joining us now, tracking these conditions with the AccuWeather alert forecast. Larry, I looked out the window at 4:45. I couldn't believe it. Completely different from what it was before.
Yeah, it was coming down hard for a brief while here this afternoon in parts of the area, and it produced some really high wind gusts. This line of storms that marched on through. Here are some of the peak wind gusts I've seen reported so far. Orland Park had a gust of 70, Naperville a gust of 68 miles per hour, and several locations with gusts above 60 miles per hour. We're all clear now from severe weather. No watches, no warnings in effect for our area. Some leftover rain in parts of northwest Indiana, and one severe thunderstorm warning here south of South Bend for Marshall County, but those storms are moving away from us. This is how it looked, though. This was the line of storms that moved from west to east quickly across the area, produced some very high winds in our area, knocking down some trees and some power lines, all because of those high winds that were associated with those storms. Up to the north in Wisconsin, we had a number of tornado reports. All these little icons represent reported tornadoes across central Wisconsin. You can see the swirl here. That was the system that produced the severe weather across Wisconsin and that tail end of the storm down into our area. There are still a few showers around the Rockford area, so it's possible you might see a stray shower yet this evening, but most of us will stay dry. And look at our temperatures. We've dropped into the 70s. It is still real humid outside, but that's going to change tomorrow, and our temperatures will be noticeably cooler tomorrow compared to today.